Hello guys, I'm Ikram. Today I want to tell you how to solve RL step response question. But before that, what is step response? Step response is the response of a circuit to sudden application of a constant voltage or current source is referred to as step response of the circuit. First of all, please write down or remember this formula because it is very important to solve the RL step response circuit. Step response have two conditions where t is lower than 0 and t is higher than 0. For step 1, we will do in condition t is lower than 0. Step 1 is we need to find initial current or I0 of the circuit. For step 2 and so on, we will do it in condition t is greater than 0. For step 2 is step 3 and step 4. It sounds simple, right? Let's try to do the question together. The question asking us to find the I in the bracket of t in the circuit for t is larger than 0. Let us try to remember what is the first step we discussed earlier. For t is lower than 0, we will use step 1, that is to find the initial current. In this question, t is lower than 0 will make the switch in closed condition which allow the current to flow through less resistant area. The 3 ohm resistor is neglected because current not flow through it. Yeah, the circuit was simplified and we can see that it was a series circuit. Now, we can just use the Ohm's law to find the initial current. Remember that current was same in series circuit. Okay, we have got the initial current. Now, let's continue with second condition, t is greater than 0. In this condition, the switch will be in open circuit. Let's see the circuit for a while. The current will not flow at the area because it was an open circuit. So, the current will flow through this area to complete the circuit. According to the step, we need to find the infinity current. Okay, let's simplify and transform the circuit from this to this. Now, the circuit looks more simple, right? Remember, the current in series circuit is the same, so just use Ohm's law to find the infinity current. Now, we have got the infinity current's value. We will proceed to the next step. Step 3. Find time constant. So, what is the formula to find time constant? The formula to find time constant for RL circuit is L over R. Now you should remember this formula. L is stand for inductor and R is stand for total resistor. So, we can just substitute the value into formula and get the time constant. Final step is substitute all the values into this formula. After the substitution, we have got the final answer. Now, let's watch the video of simulation for this circuit by using multisim software.